everybody! So today I'm coming to you looking like a little Pokemon trainer or something. And also my lipstick matches my hair, so there's that. I'm also very snuggly in my scarf and jacket. So as of this video, but maybe not in the future, or I don't know, but I just hit 100 subscribers! Yay! Thank you for following me if you're watching this and you follow me, and if you don't, feel free to follow if you want to. As this video will tell you, I post a lot of Lush stuff, and I have a Lush haul! I treated myself to some Lush goodies for hitting 100 subscribers. So this is a mix of some Christmassy bits, some autumn bits and normal bits, I think? I can't even remember what I ordered, and I literally just ordered it the other day. Let's just open it. Hello! Luna's getting interested because I've opened the Lush box and she loves the small little Lush bath bombs. Right, we're open. So on top, as per usual, we've got my little invoice along with some information about the products. Inside on the top. Right, so the very first thing that I can see is this Golden Slumbers? Yeah, Golden Slumbers, which is a bright gold bath bomb with Lush's name stamped into it. I smell this one though. Do you smell? That's it. What do you think? Nah, not for you. So Golden Slumbers has lavender and chamomile in there, so it's really good for helping you relax and go to sleep. Right, I almost ripped the next one. This one is... Hold on, let me find the name. Rudolph. Well, that was that was easy. Is this cute little reindeer bath bomb. He's got little paper antlers. Oh, and he's got a big heart red nose. Ooh, this one's really sweet. Definitely, yeah, more on the sweet side. I think this would be good for like kids as well, because it's quite like a nice sweet smell. And it's adorable, the cute little antlers. They're quite big, like that's my hand. So there's quite a lot going on with him. For bath bomb size comparison, Rudolph and Golden Slumbers are right around the same size bath bomb wise. Okay, next one is not a Christmassy or autumny one. It is the Comforter bath bomb, which looks like a little raspberry almost. It's really cute. It's really chunky and kind of bigger than I thought it was gonna be. And it has that like signature comforter smell. I would say the bath bomb smells a little bit lighter than the bubble bar, but it smells really, really nice. Ooh, I'm excited for that one. Nails are so long that I scratched the next one. He is this cute little polar bear. Oh, which is the bubble bar. I had this in my last haul. He smells amazingly of mint. Oh, I haven't even used my last one yet. I just keep breaking off the little paws in the face and crumpling that in. Oh my god. But I might have to stock up on some of these because mint, oh my god, mint and cinnamon are my favorite scents. And for anyone looking for him, his name is Polar Bear Plunge. Digging out the next one, this is one of my like old school favorites, Dragon Egg! I think a lot of you know what Dragon Egg is if you're familiar with Lush. It has this smell from like my childhood that makes me think of Easter. It's a very sweet like candy. Oh, I just want to like eat it. But inside you've got a cluster of gold glitter, so your bath becomes this like magical, sparkly, liquid gold bath. And you've got the white on the outside, and you've got little dragon scales, which you can't really see on this one. Sometimes you can kind of see them at the top, but you can see some of the color there. And they'll dissolve in your bath. Here we go. Bum, ba, da, bum, Butterball! This is an all year round, I believe. At Christmas, I know sometimes you can get him shaped like a little teddy bear. Butterball is like really creamy, makes me think of like a little hot cocoa. I wouldn't say it's like super in your face sweet, but it's definitely on the sweeter side. And it is a little bath bomb, similar to the side of Golden Slumbers. So it's quite small, but it makes you feel so soft. So this is like small, but it packs a punch. Okay, I've not had this one yet. This is a new Christmas one. I smelled it in the Lush store, but I couldn't really get a good sniff of it when I was in Southampton. So, what's his name before I go and say, where are you at on this sheet? Snowman Dreamin'. It's this cute little snowman. I don't know if you can quite, oh yeah, there we go. He's got this rainbow kind of color on the side. It makes me think of like the Aurora Borealis and winter and the Arctic. It's so cute. Oh, okay. I quite like the smell. This to me is very womanly, almost perfumey. It's not too strong either, which is quite nice. So cute. This is quite chunky as well. It's quite tall. And another one that I got in my last haul is Not So Secret Santa. I had to grab another one. It's so cute. It's got the little paper Santa. He's inside. And it has a sweet smell. If you like dragon egg, I think you'd like him. Oh, it smells so good. It's so cute. This is, again, another smaller one, similar to this size. Same as Butterball and Rudolph. That's a really cute one, a really good Christmas gift. And actually inside it is a whole paper Santa. It's not just his little limbs sticking out. So when he fizzes, you'll actually have a little paper Santa floating around in your bath. Oh. Someone's coming to sniff everything. Ooh, what do you think? Which one's your favorite? Which one's for Luna, huh? Here she is, stealing the spotlight again. I turned her heater off. It's like this little mini one that's hers, and it glows light. So I turned it off because it makes everything look really orange. And now these lights are on. She's just like, make me warm, please. Okay, so that is everything that I got in this haul. I'm very carefully trying to move this so I can show them all at the same time. Ba-ba-da-bum. Some Christmas, some normal, a little bit of everything, and they all smell amazing. If you would like to see any demos of the ones that I got today, please comment down below or message me or whatever and just be like, hey, what does that one look like? Can you show us? I'm happy to do that. Again, thank you to everyone who is subscribed to me. I can't believe there's 100 people following this channel. That's crazy. But if you want to see more Lush hauls and puppy stuff and makeup crap and all that jazz, feel free to subscribe and I'll be posting more super soon. Thanks again for watching. Bye! Who's a good girl? Can I get a high five? Yeah, kind of. Can I have one more high five? Can I have one more high five? Yeah, that one was way better!